Hi folks, it's Andrew, the Fulgor Milano guy here, and whether you have already installed this and you want to change the alignment, or you're an installer and you want to align the door, this video will help you. So basically what's happening is that the door is square, but the frame has four leveling points, four leveling legs. And if they are not all level, if the unit itself is not level, it can settle and cause the frame to shift, but the door stays square. So that's why you get this misalignment. So this is a video will demonstrate that you can raise the level of one of the legs, and it could be a rear leg as well, but it will change the alignment of the door. Here now we can see after adjustment and after changing the leveling leg permanently, how the door is now much better aligned with the console. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.